This is an emergency warning system. We're going to detect the typhoon in Davao City. The typhoon have signals like 1 and 2 in Davao City. You have to seek shelter and evacuate. You need to go to house or building. Go to the higher ground when leave the low-lying areas such as flood or storm cells. Stay away from beach and hills. Please thank you and stay tuned for information. You have to continue watching and watch the Daycare 2 story. Thank you.
Also available in 1.2 and 1.6 kilogram packs. The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of health professionals.